Mail train K3418. This train will pass through Snow Mountain, desert, grassland. The train is about to depart. Please sit tight and hold on. Passengers need to have their tickets checked to get on the train. Examine the luggage. Dangerous item: fruit knife, hammer, firework. Well done! You found all the dangerous items. Where would you like to sit? Thank you. All passengers, please sit tight. The little choo-choo train has a long body. It carries people and goods. All passengers, please sit tight. The train is moving fast. Hello, baby bus.
Hello, Lulu. Please get on the bus.
Please choose a seat for me.
Fasten your seatbelt.
Thanks.
I've picked up Lulu. The next stop is the supermarket. Let's go. Stop at a red light, go at a green light. This is the supermarket. The teacher said you need to buy some things and take them to the kindergarten.
Let's buy some new stationery and a school bag.
प्रिया उठ जा 2 मिनट में
Welcome. Choose a shopping cart. Next, let's go buy what we need together. School, yes, that's it. Notebook. Scissors. Top. Pants. Put the money into the coin slot. I bought everything I need. Thank you!